Hey guys, J.E. here. Today we will be opening the Hisuian Zoroark V-Star box that we got from our local mall, along with the Mew V box and a single pack of Silver Tempest and a Build and Battle Brilliant Stars. Let's get into it.
The first box we'll be opening up is the Hisuian Zoroark V-Star box. Okay, so we just opened it and we get this sick pin. It's a Hisuian Zoroark, obviously. We get this cool coin. We get the Hisuian Zoroark V Full Art promo. That's really cool. And the Hisuian Zoroark V-Star promo. Let's sleeve those real quick. And this box costed around $40. We also got the jumbo card included with it, and this little V-Star thing. The packs we got out of it is this Fusion Strike pack, Chilling Reign, Lost Origin, another Lost Origin, Astral Radiance, and one of the best sets, Evolving Skies. Hey guys, me Emery, and I'm going to be opening my share of the packs. I got Astral Radiance, Lost Origin, and Evolving Skies. The first set we're going to open is the Astral Radiance. Okay, here's the code card, pack trick, water, Gusty Pickaxe, Zissou, Curlia, Magnemite, Teddiursa, Hisuian Sneasel, Mischievous, Barboach, Shieldon, and a normal Glaceon. Okay, the next pack is gonna be Lost Origin. Code card. Oh, code card. 1, 2, 3, 4. Electric Energy, Damage Pump, Dottler, Seadra, Litleo, Mienfoo, Litwick, Snover, Rhyhorn, Porygon, and a Mascargo. Alright, the last pack is Evolving Skies. Hopefully we get lucky on this pack. The last two packs haven't been very good. Code card. 1, 2, 3, 4. Fighting Energy, Ursaring, Single Strike Scroll of the Fanged Dragon. That's a long thing. Pyroar, Lillipup, Emolga, Tentacool, Pumpkaboo, Bagon, Fletchling, and Drampa. Alright, well that was mine. Not very lucky. Now we move on to Jared's.
Hey guys, okay, Jared here. These are my packs. I got Lost Origin, Chilling Reign, and Fusion Strike. Let's get into it. Okay, so here is the code card. Okay, let's get into the trick. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, we have a Energy, Electric, Swanna, Gloomy, Bronzor, Snover, Jinx, NK, Squivit, Icekin, and a Buffalon. Next one is Fusion Strike. Okay. Here is the code card. Trick 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Energy, Power Tablet, Skater Spark, Togirama, Phantom, Snorlax, Snom, Dreepy, Mankin, Phantom, and oh my gosh,
nice.
Chandelier
There
V.
you go.
Time to
Wow.
sleeve it up.
That's pretty cool.
Yep.
You
I'll
gotta
add that
pull.
to the back. Try not to cover Pikachu. Alright, next one, Chilling Rain. Let's do this. Hopefully we get a good card. So far, we haven't got much good, right?
I mean, I feel like full arts are pretty good. Better than normal V's.
Yeah, I would definitely say so. Oh, that's a good sign.
No, it's not.
Okay. Alright. Yeah, up. Okay, that's weird. It's upside down. I have a Electric Energy, Fiona, Raboot, Athla, Ladybug, Porygon, Swirla, Sneasel. I've never seen a water type Sneasel. Snover, and a Cast Form, and a Bayonet. And that is it. Now time for the next box. Okay, now we're going to be opening the Mew V box. Let's get into it. Okay, the first card is Mew V. That is a pretty beautiful card. Let's sleeve that one up. Put that in the sleeve. Okay, here you go. And the next one is a Mewtwo. Wow. Let's sleeve that one up.
That's a really cool card.
I
That was
agree.
in the Trick or Trade set,
Oh, really?
which is really cool. Yeah.
And then our jumbo card is the Mew V. I like jumbo cards. They're pretty sick. Not my favorite though. Here
I
you
don't
go.
really care for them. That's fine.
And then the packs that we got in this is Lost Origin, Sword and Shield.
Sword and Shield base set.
Oh yeah, that's true. Lost Origin and Rebel Clash. I've never seen that pack before. Now then, let's get into it.
Hey guys, my share of cards is Lost Origin and base set Sword and Shield. First pack is going to be Lost Origin. I really like the Radiant Gardenovore. Gardenovore is one of my favorite cards. So, be cool if I get it. Code card. Oops, I always put it backwards. 1, 2, 3, 4. Dark Energy? I think that's dark, yeah. Lady, Hisuian Sliggoo, Electric, Jinx, Litwick, Oddish, Lovedisk, Phalanx, Ambipom, and Bayonet. Alright, so first pack wasn't good. For some reason I'm not doing good. I've never opened a base set Sword and Shield, so that'll be cool. Yeah, first pack of it. Dang, white code card again. Oh, sorry, I forgot to give the card. Steel, Palpad, Kingler, Rhydon, Pikachu, Sizzlipede, I don't know, Wooloo, Grookey, Raboot, and Galarian Rapidash. Alright, now Jared.
Okay, Jared here. So the packs that I got are Rebel Clash and Lost Origins. Let's get into it. Okay. Here is the code card. There you go. Okay, let's do the card trick. I almost forgot. Okay, here we go. Here's the energy. Pokeball. Oh, pulled. Dang it. It's not funny, Emery. I'm trying. Okay. Pokeball. Okay. Heatmore. Halucha. I missed that Pokemon. I haven't seen that Pokemon in a while. Phantom, Bronzor, Toxic, Galarian, Domoka, Hyperion, Pokeball, and a Galarian Perskin. That is not good. Okay, now then.
This box might be a dud.
Yep. The Lost Origin pack. Let's try. Hopefully, give me luck, Emery. Oh, I did not see anything.
Black code card.
Black code card. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's do that. Okay, we have a Green Energy, Dottler, Seadra, Seviper, NK, Hussein, Basculin, Phantom, Machuta, I don't know how to say that, Electric, oh my gosh, Chandelier,
cool.
that is a beautiful, and
Whoa,
oh my gosh, no
that's a
way,
crazy pack.
that is a good card.
And then I'll
Yeah, sleeve up the Chandelier.
Wow. Man, Jared, you got luck.
That is a very beautiful card.
We're gonna have to cover some
Let's
stuff.
put that back there. And okay, time for the next box.
Hey guys, Emery again. So now we will be opening the Build and Battle Brilliant Stars box. Here we go. Alright, so I got the Build and Battle set box open. Now we just need to peel that. Oh, for some reason it's damaged. Here we go. Alright, so there is whatever this is. Oh, it's the Build and Battle thing. If you want, you could pause it and read it. Ooh, and then we got a Moltres. Let me get this thing open.
Is it, oh my gosh, that is sick. I didn't even realize it was
It's like a promo thing, sort of. Yeah, it says it's a promo.
I didn't know it came with a battle deck.
Oh, yeah, it's a Build and Battle code card. Okay, so we got the Moltres. That's sick.
Okay.
Fire Energy, Fire Energy, Fire Energy. Just skip through that. Oh, so these are all just energies. Oh, trainers.
Doesn't look like it comes with much Pokemon. Oh, well, there's some
Riolu.
Pokemon. Oh, there's Lucarios.
Ooh, Moltres. Alright.
Okay.
And then...
Pretty cool cards, pretty cool arts.
Yeah. And then it comes with 4 Brilliant Star packs. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, so now we're gonna split the packs up.
Okay, Jared here. So, by the looks of it, I got the Brilliant Stars Charizard one and the Brilliant Stars Arceus one. Let's go with the Charizard first.
Let's get the whole art.
Hopefully.
That'd be sick.
If this pack will open. There we go. That took a little bit. Oh, okay.
Oh, last one time.
Yep. By the looks of it, pretty good. There is the code card. Throw that on the ground. Card trick 1, 2, 3, 4. Put that in the front. We have a Green Energy, Pot Helmet, Acelera's Promotion, Claydol, Sneasel, Grimer, Execute, Farfetch'd, Duskull, Chimchar, and a Flygon.
What? It was supposed to be a holo or something.
Huh.
Error pack, I guess.
Okay, now time for the Arceus pack. Hopefully I get something good. Emery, give me your luck. Bro. Okay. Now then. Okay. Oh. Okay.
Oh, black code card.
Here is the code card. Sorry for putting it upside down. Throw that on the ground. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Oh, sweet. Got
Do you want to take that?
thing? Yeah, I'll take it.
Okay. Now then. Weevil. Starmie. Fresh Water Set, Turtwig, Piplup, Skirmish, Thor, Castform, and a Prillium, and a Klinkling.
What is wrong with these?
I have no idea. Okay, now time for the Emery side.
Hey guys, Emery here. The Pokemon I got is, I don't know the name of that, neither of that, but I know it's a legendary. Let's go with the non-legendary first. This one's hard to open. Okay, black code card, that's pretty good. For some reason, all the black code cards have been not hollow or anything, so yeah. Alright. And Water Energy, Collapse Stadium, Claudont, Magma Bassin, Cubchoo, Dedenne, Clink, Snorunt, Nosepass, Corphish, and a Hollow Professor's Research. Then we have this other Pokemon, the legendary. Hopefully we get more lucky, or I don't know if that's a thing, but hopefully we get luckier.
I'll give you more luck.
What's cool about this one is they've all been black code cards, so that's cool. Oh, sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright. Dark Energy, Claydol, Tropius, Vibrava, Trapinch, Gibble, Whizzle, Halucha, Electabuzz, Shroomish, and a non-hollow. I feel like that box was open. They didn't give us the hollows or anything. That's weird. Well, here's Jared with his pack.
Okay, Jared here. So I bought this one pack. Hopefully there's something good. Well, it's a Silver Tempest. Let's see what we get. Yes, the new set. Okay. Trash. Okay. I hope this pack is going to be good, because we did not get anything good whatsoever. Aw, dang. Okay, here's the code.
At least we got a full art.
1,
and a
2,
rainbow
3,
hair.
4. Yeah, at least. We got pretty good cards, honestly.
And a trainer gallery.
Okay, we got Candace.
Oh.
A Glail. I love that Pokemon. That one's so, like, old. Meowstic, Frost, Chinchou, Patillo, Litten. Oh my gosh, look at that art. Looks scared. Okay, now we have Smeargle. What is that? Dracloak? Is that how you say it?
I don't know.
And a Milotic. That is a very... Well, nothing good. Well, okay.
Alright guys, so this is the recap. We're going to start to do those most likely. We got a Mewtwo Hollow, Chandelure Trainer Gallery, Professor's Research, Moltres Promo, Hisuian Zoroark V Promo, Hisuian Zoroark V-Star Promo, Chandelure V Full Art, Fantina Rainbow Rare, and a Mew V. Thanks for watching our video. J&E out.